So I always say that this career picked me, I did not pick it. I would have never thought in 1,000 years I would be a hairstylist. What got me on this whole path was when I was only 13 years old, I started to pull my hair out. I did not understand why I was doing it. I actually was doing it in my sleep. This would have been about 15 years ago, so people did not talk about trichotillomania then. And that was probably the hardest part, on top of being teased for not having hair. Also dealing with the fact that I thought I was completely alone and nobody else was suffering like I was. So when I was 18 was actually the first time that I ever found out about hair replacement. I had no idea the options that were out there. I always had to wear a really bad synthetic wig, and it was very obvious that it was a wig. So for me, it literally was life-changing. And I just knew I wanted to be able to help other women and feel the same way that I did. So I decided to go to cosmetology school, and then I started working at a hair replacement studio and got all of the training that I needed. And I've now been in the industry for over 9 years, and it is by far the most gratifying, fulfilling thing on the face of the planet for me. I truly feel that it's what and the why to everything that happened is so that I can be able to help others that I wouldn't have understood, I think, otherwise. And it chose me, and I'm just so grateful that I get to be able to look into my clients' eyes, and I get to see them be able to feel as amazing as I felt when I finally was able to look in that mirror and see somebody that I thought was beautiful. And that's just what I love doing for others.